Hey, welcome back guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we are going to be working on a 97 Z3 Roadster. Pretty common. They went from 96 to 2000. And we're going to remove the rollover protection bars, which are for the passenger and for the driver. The removal process is pretty straightforward. The tools that I'll be using is a ratchet with a 40 Torx, a driver with a Phillips tip, and most importantly, I'm going to be using this one here. As you can see, it's got I chose this one because it's got a pretty flat tip, which is very crucial when removing covers such as this. All right, let's get started. We're gonna work on the driver's side here. This cover, pop it out very carefully. Behind that, I've taken out the 40 Torx bolts, remove it, and I used this ratchet because it allowed me to get in there and take it out, or you can just use any general 3/4 ratchet. Take that off. Next, you come to the center top cover, open it up, and if you noticed here, I placed painter's tape. The purpose for that is there's a crack here in the back. See, it goes all the way here. I placed this because I'm removing it and it holds the crack in place. So if you want to do that, go for it. Other than that, lift this cover up. If you look on the side, there's a cover that looks like this. Pop that out. Behind it, let me see here, you're gonna find a Torx, 40 Torx in there. Take it out. Once those 2 Torx bolts have been removed, the cover should slide out. Just like that. And this cover here pops out. Okay, so that's how you remove the headrest here. In this video, we're gonna do a series on how to remove this whole back cover. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thank you for watching. You have an awesome day. You take care.